So in today's video, you'll know that how you can make these type of professional outros and what a good outro is, how long it should be, and we should put 2 videos or 4. Watch the whole video and you'll know everything about creating a good outro. Now, some of you guys might think that why should we use an outro? So an outro can be used to get more views and closure to a video. Now, before we move on to the tutorial, I would like to mention that I have made more than 10 different outro templates for you guys. You don't need to create outros from scratch and waste your time. You can just go in the description. You will get a link there for these outro templates. You can just click on that link and you can download them easily. So after clicking on that link, you will get something like this. Now here you can select the outro which you want to download, and then you can click on this I button to preview that. And if you want to download that, then you can click on these 3 dots and then you can click on the download option. Now before I explain you that how you can use these outro templates in your videos, I would like to clear some common doubts for new YouTubers while they are using outros in their videos. So the doubt number 1 is how long an outro should be. Now I'm going to reveal the biggest secret of YouTube to get more YouTube views, so don't skip any part of the video. Okay, so the length of an outro could be as short as possible or as long as possible. It totally depends on you. Now the technique I wanted to share is that whenever you use an outro in your videos, try to make them more interesting instead of only using an outro file. So what you can try is you can try to add some more interesting tips related to your content in that few seconds of outro, so that person will see your whole video until end, and it will increase your audience retention and YouTube will recommend your videos, and obviously if your video is good, you will get more views. Now let's clear the doubt number 2. So the doubt number 2 is that in outros, should we use 2 videos or 4? It totally depends on you that you want to add 2 videos or 4. But make sure you try to add at least 1 video and 1 subscribe button. Even though you can also add 2 videos or 1 video and 1 playlist with subscribe button. Okay, so now if you want to learn that how we can add outros to our videos and how we can add elements or videos to our outro, so for that you can click on the video showing on the screen. So this is all. Stay creative and peace out.